My name is Jordan Billingsley. I recently just graduated from the School of Architecture with my master's degree. I started the business 4 years ago, and I am the sole proprietor of Blackline Supply. Well, I was an undergraduate student, and I had most of my degree requirements completed for my senior year, so I had a lot of free time. But also I had a lot of frustrations when I was an undergrad student, like sophomore, junior year, because I'd have to go to 4 different stores to build one model. Because architecture models are actually pretty complex. You have to go to the hardware store to get the big pieces of wood to make your base. You have to go to the art store to get the fine little detailed paints. And you have to go to the bookstore for the last minute materials. So it was always really frustrating. And I thought if I could just have one store that had everything that you needed to build architecture models, that'd be great. It was difficult setting up the store the first year because I was so young that no one would give me a loan. And I don't come from a very wealthy family. And so I had to use all of my high school savings and some of my college savings to start it, and I almost had nothing on the shelves in the first year. Very little. In fact, I filled most of the store space up with models. I would say that I'm definitely more design oriented. The only reason why I'm successful in business is that I don't think of it as a business. In fact, my first couple years I thought of it more of as a hobby, and now I think of it more as a student resource. My favorite part about doing the store is helping students figure out the problems of their projects and the best ways to construct them or achieve their goals. And so that's why I don't think of it as a business like customer, seller. I think of it as resource and student. Oh, about the sign? Yeah, that actually just my friend made that. This sign is very common in Chinese shops, and I believe it says, "Be kind, be happy, and you will be prosperous." For my future career, I only think maybe 1 or 2 years ahead of where I am now. And I can see myself doing Blackline for 2 more years. We just invested in a laser cutter. Besides just helping students with laser cutting, I also plan on taking laser cutting services to local firms and offer model making services for the local firms in Champaign and Urbana. That way I can sort of supplement the business that I do of just retail while still maintaining a design focus, because that's more interesting to me.